Look, talk to me. Today is April 15th, 2011. We just bought our new house and Gabby is going to demo the wall. Go for it. Go for it. Knock a hole in it. Yeah.
No.
No?
Do the other.
Go for it.
Do the hammer side. Yeah, like that. That's what you want to hit with.
Oh, way hard. Hit it hard. Do it.
No.
Why?
I don't know.
Come here. Here. Oh, what?
What?
Not that loud.
Now you do it.
Go after it. I'm giving you a free pass to wipe out a wall. Come on. Go after it. Hit the wall. Come on, hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Come down, there's the hair. Hit it. Come on, keep going. Not getting very far. Come on.
I want to see a hole. Get over there by Daddy's hole.
That's almost. Come on, hit it hard. Hit like you're gonna hit a home run.
Just like a, yeah. Just like a ball. Hit it. Hit it. I hadn't seen any daylight yet. Oh, yay. Okay, you got to tear down the whole wall. You better hurry.
There you go. Now you're making headway.
Are you done?
Okay, one more. Stand it and John was thinking.
Mm-hmm.
Like to help us. Okay, good. Awesome.
Oh, big hole. Now you need to go the other side and beat through on the other side.
That side?
Mm-hmm.
Seriously?
Seriously. Okay, go.
I'm watching tennis shoes. Gosh.
Oh, you got it now, girl.
Why is that rough stuff?
That's called sheetrock.
I got one hole.
All right.
I think this could take all night. Tired?
A little.
Woo! Are you gonna quit for a while?
Almost done. Just gotta get that big hole.
Oh, okay. Almost done.
Daddy, I'm making a hole.
Let's see Daddy do it.
No.
With the sledgehammer.
No. Seriously, no.
Y'all could work beside each other.
No.
You done? Okay. Here comes Daddy.
No.
What?
That's gonna be louder.
It's gonna be
Back
louder.
up. Come over here by me.
You're right.
Okay, that's enough. I'll finish it.
Go ahead.
Yay, I need to finish it.
Finish it. You're gonna finish it?
Oh gosh.
Well, it's just gonna come through. 5 minutes and 30 seconds, and this is how far we've gotten.